Good evening to all. So, this is the last video on the topic of Renaissance MCQ. We have covered over 200 questions, and now here is 101 to 200 till then. If you add them, so it's total 300 questions which I covered related with the Renaissance, and all the answers we will discuss in the live session of the Saturday or Sunday. And if you are watching first time, do subscribe this channel. Keep reading the questions, answers. Okay. So, Utopia is more critic. Spencer's allegory in The Fairy Queen's support. Marlowe's heroes are Shakespeare's Julius Caesar focus on. Donne uses consist to mean. Bacon's style is. Webster's The Duchess of Malfi ends in. The term Elizabethan covers literature form. Astrophil in Sydney's sequence represents. Marvels upon Appleton House is. Renaissance drama entire come from. The Revenger's tragedy is attributed to. Shakespeare's Sonnet 130 parodies. Herbert's Easter Wings is a. Bacon's advancement of learning promotes. Jacobean tragedies often feature. The Merchant of Venice deal with. In Much Ado About Nothing, the wit is between. Spenser's Prothalmion is. Sidney argued poetry is. Marlowe's Edward II is a. Donne's The Anniversaries celebrate. Johnson's To Pensard is. The Renaissance emphasized. Cinquecent tragedy influenced. Shakespeare's Coriolanus is based on. Metaphysical poets reject. Bacon's essay cover. The Pity She's Wore by Ford explores. The English Renaissance produced. Key features of Renaissance literature. The Taming of the Shrew is. A Midsummer Night's Dream, The Fairy King is. Spenser's Multiplications Cantos deal with. Sydney's Astrophil and Stella has how many sonnet? Marlowe's unfinished work. Donne's Better My Heart is. Herbert Virtue praises. Marvel critique in Horatia Ode. Bacon's of Truth quote. Webster's language is. Renaissance exploration influenced. All's Well That End Well is. Johnson's followers were. The Renaissance revived. Machinery in epic refers to. Shakespeare's Venus and Adonis is. Donne's poetry shows. But dedicate the temple to. Marvel's The Definition of Love use. Bacon's Utopia is. Jacobean age show rise of. Angling is by. Renaissance literature promotes. Shakespeare's first play. In, in Othello, Lago is the. Spenser's marriage poem. Sidney's work influenced. Marlowe's degree from. Donne was. Herbert's love deposits. Marvels served under. Bacon's death caused by. Webster's based plays on. Shakespeare's company. Trolls and Cressida is a. Johnson's Sejanus is a. Renaissance humanism from. Dissociation of sensibility by. Shakespeare's Lucrece is. Donne songs and sonnets show. Herbert's influence. Marvel's Bermunda's praises. Bacon's of Gardens describes. Ford's Broken Heart is. English Renaissance music and literature linked in. Henry III co-authored by. The term bard for Shakespeare from. Renaissance prose includes Merry Wives of Windsor feature, Spenser's Colin Clout's Come Home Again is, Sidney died in, Marlowe's alleged atheism from Donne's devotion written during Herbert's brother, Marvel's dialogue between soul and body explores, Bacon's Sylvia Sylvarum is on, Webster's monumental column is on, Shakespeare's retirement to Camberlin is a, Johnson's epitaph, Renaissance education emphasized, objective correlative by Eliot relate to, Shakespeare's sources include Donne's No Man in an Iceland from Herbert Jordan first rejects, Marvel's Eyes and Tear is Bacon influenced, Ford's play show, the English Renaissance legacy is. So these are the Renaissance 200 questions plus 100 questions which we already have created two videos. So I covered 300 questions related with the Renaissance. We'll meet in the live. So subscribe now. Thank you.